Good morning, everyone. My name is Professor Poonam Chaubey from CSIT Department of SIRT College, Bhopal. Today, I am presenting in my video lecture regarding the introduction of my subject of software engineering. So, let's start our PPT. So, firstly, we have to define what is the software regarding the software process. The software it is an instruction, or we can say it is a computer program that when we execute, it provides the features and functions and performance. In other words, we can say it is data structure that enables the program to effectively manipulate the information and also to run the information. The software is a collection of some kind of integrated program. It carefully organized the instruction, the code written by the developers in an various particular computer language. So it is a set of instruction and set of the data, set of the program that tells a computer how to operate these instruction and how to perform the task carefully. Now let's go to the second PPT. Here we are seeing the characteristic of the software engineering. So in the characteristic of the software, we can see here a table is given. In this, the operational, transitional, and the maintenance section is divided. So in the operational characteristic, we have to find out the budget, we have to find out the efficiency, the usability, and the dependability, also the correctness and the functionality of the software. In the transitional system, we have to identify the interportability, reusability, portability, and adaptability of our software. So in the characteristic of maintenance, we have to find out our flexibility, maintainability, modularity, and the scalability of our software. So in the next PPT, we are defining the main topic of our software engineering. So previous PPT, I have explained about what is the software. So software is a collection of integrated program, and it is a set of instruction like the data and the set of programs that enables our computer to manipulate our task, to complete my task, and to generate the output. So what is the engineering? So engineering, it is the application of scientific and the practical knowledge, and to invent, to design, to build, and to maintain and improve the frameworks and the process. So when we combine these two words of software engineering, then it is called about the engineering branch and related to the software products using well-defined scientific principles and techniques and procedures. The result of software engineering is an effective and reliable software project. We are making the software in our software engineering with the help of SDLC. So we have to divide our software engineering in the phases of SDLC. So in the next PPT, we are seeing about the key characteristic of our software. Basic key characteristic and the basic characteristic of our software engineering will be it does not wear out, the functionality, the reliability of our software, the usability, the flexibility, and also the efficiency. The good software utilizes the system resources. It should be user-friendly and requiring the minimal effort to learn, to flexible throughout the adapt and to new requirements or changing in environment. So the software engineering is the basic subject about regarding the study of the software and the life cycle of the software. So that was our all content regarding the introduction of our software engineering. Thank you so much to attending the session. Thank you so much. Have a good day.